Fred's already ready to go. Okay, what do we got here? We got a fancy 3M buffing pad that's supposed to take off, what the hell, tape trim and stuff that goes on cars. And it's supposed to be for head gaskets, clean up surfaces. So we're going to see how it works.
You ready?
So we got a what do you got? 2004 road turret head.
I guess I'll make a mess over it.
Is that a 2004 road turret head?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens here. Why don't you go hold the head so it doesn't rip out?
Ready?
I don't care. I'm ready.
Now you gotta hold it. It feels like it's cutting aluminum, man. It's cutting the damn metal. Am I not doing it right?
You build it over.
Oh, still, that doesn't.
Come on, keep going. You're not gonna hurt this fucking thing. It's working pretty good.
I don't know.
I don't know, man. I think it looks like it's working really nice. I don't think you're taking. It's because that's that gasket. It's like that metal gasket shit. I don't think you're taking it. We're talking about hard stuff right
I don't know. You got a scraper? You got a regular scraper?
here.
Where's your fancy carbide scraper?
Yeah, grab your. I think you can hit this with a carbide scraper and it's going to work a freaking buttload better than that.
Here, Fred.
I
Here
do.
it is. Here it is. Let's see what it feels like.
Okay, I'm the one
Hold
doing
the
it.
drill. Or
Yeah,
there she is.
right. So, we were using a grinder to do this. We want to get this gasket off of here. Oh, wait a second. It's coming right off. And look, they wouldn't even cut this. This would not cut
I know,
this.
that's carbon.
Oh, wait a second. Big chunk there that wouldn't get...
That's why I use scrapers.
Look, that piece wouldn't come out.
Yeah, I don't think it'd help any of those Evo base gaskets that won't ever come off with anything. I
Look,
think the grinder would do anything.
I'm barely pushing this.
Yeah, I know, I've used it before. I like the scrapers
You
always.
gotta do the Tatro twist.
Yeah, that.
No, that's on the one you're actually doing the gasket removal. The gasket's already gone. You just
Man,
need
I
to
wish I had a
residue.
good paper gasket on something. We might have on that motor that we just pulled off.
Now, I think after I do this, I'll put that on there and it'll clean it the rest of the way. You get the big chunks off. Because it was just trying to cut.
But I don't think it's cutting aluminum here, Tatro. I mean, Fred, I don't think we're cutting aluminum.
No.
It doesn't look like we're cutting
It
aluminum.
just looked kind of funky when I first did it.
It did kind of look because there was all these little metal chips, but that definitely
Okay,
the.
now this has got the heavy stuff off. Let's see what happens here. Hold it. Oh yeah, that's better.
Clean it right up.
There. All right. So, get rid of the big chunks, like right here. We got some big chunks. And come back and get the chunky bits off, and then okay.
That's definitely a nice tool. I ain't mad about that. How's it feel? A little flat?
You can't tell how much it's cutting, but
I think you have to get the big chunks off with this, and then
it's not digging in like a sanding disc would be. But
yeah.
it's a little smooth feeling through here. Feel it going this way. Here, you can see how the edge is all rounded. Let's see over here. You don't feel it's flat.
Yeah, this is kind of rough right
So
here.
it feels like it's digging in.
More on that.
It feels like it's digging in more here, but I don't know.
But not enough that it would, like, it's not gouging or anything. I don't think that would cause
No.
any sealing surface issues whatsoever.
It depends if it digs holes right in there or not.
I mean, I don't see anything that would make me afraid to use this
So
thing.
take this thing and just try to cut that corner off. Let's see what happens. So you can feel how sharp it is right now? Feel it. Okay, let's go ahead and go to town on that and try to cut that thing off. Cut the corner. Just lay on it right this whole corner on the edge.
Well, I got one on. I won't have one on, one off.
Got holes on it.
These things are so nice for
Very
like
religious
getting-
glove.
Obviously, that's trying real hard there, right?
Yeah, but you're trying to take the whole surface down. I'm just trying to get the corner cut away. It's definitely radiused it over a little bit, but like all these tools, I think it's removing some metal, but it's very slight. I think it's all right for doing a final clean, but I would definitely do the scraper.
Do a scrape first and then come back
Yeah.
and get the shit that doesn't want to come
This
off.
is mainly polishing the surface and knocking any high spots and burrs off.
Yeah.
But if
You
you,
still
if you
see
lay
there's
it,
like a little embedded.
if you lay it in hard enough, it will eventually do some damage.
I think this is a very usable tool.
Because you're hitting pretty hard right on this one and definitely hard over here.
And I was on it, laying into it, pushing hard, you know? And it does not seem to have done really any damage.
Well, you just put a straight on there and see if you can get a stout feeder gauge under it. But I think it's all right for light duty. I wouldn't get too carried away with it. Warms up my finger when it hits it.
I like it. I ain't mad about that at all. I think there could be spots where it really.
I don't know if it'd really do anything on a hard gasket. That'll be the hard problem. All right, that's it for now. Look for something else to play with.